Hey, my real estate equity family, happy Friday. This is your this is your Fun Fact Friday for this week. Real quick, one thing that I want to talk about, it's not really real estate per se, but it's investing essentials, I would say. One thing I want to talk about is just really finding or knowing how to seize opportunities and knowing how to understand what you see. So right now I was listening to Ben Carson on yesterday on CNBC, and he was talking about how they extended the moratorium on rent and foreclosures. His statement was they aggressively extended it, but his means of aggressively extending it is 1 month. So what is the opportunity that we see here? So me being a real estate investor, the opportunity that I see is there are going to be tons of landlords, especially smaller landlords, mom and pop landlords, that won't be able to weather this storm. So what I mean by that is some of them are not operating their properties to its maximum capabilities, so they're not maximizing rents or anything like that. And some of them are just really using them as cash flow to offset retirement for themselves, and they're really not putting anything back into the properties. So because of that, they have, deferred maintenance, and they don't have significant money set aside for incidentals, for tenants not paying their rent, for any damages caused at their property. So right now this has been in effect for, if I'm not mistaken, at least 30 days. So you have landlords, mom and pop landlords, or single family landlords that have not been receiving for rent for a month. Although they don't have to pay those mortgages for a month, but it's not like the mortgages don't have to be paid. So with this opportunity, it's a great chance for you to contact some of these smaller landlords, some of these smaller properties, 4 units, 5 units, duplexes, 6 units, that's not owned by a big hedge fund or big management company, that you can tap into and send these landlords letters and say, hey, I know it's a down season right now, the market is down, are you interested in selling your property? If so, give me a call. So you have to be able to spot these different opportunities. And then also another opportunity that I see is in the stock market. We have been buying stock right now, at deflated prices, knowing that it may take some time, but these things are going to go up. So when you're investing for long-term gains and long-term wealth. It's not that we're looking to, put $10,000 into a stock and looking for it to rebound back tomorrow. No, we're playing the long game. So just a couple of stocks that I invested in is, like, one is Disney. We got in at 95 when at the drop, and it's already increased. It was up to 105 earlier this week. I haven't checked today, but still, we anticipated not going down below 95. And guess what? If it do, hey, it's Disney. It will bounce back. It will come back. So you have to spot some of these opportunities. So right now, things are on sale. Things are on rebate. Interest rates are low. So if you're looking to go and get a 30-year fixed mortgage, 6 months ago, now it's an opportunity for you to get a 15-year mortgage because the interest rates are basically cut in half. So you have to be able to spot these opportunities, and when you see it, you have to be able to maximize them and take advantage of them and not be fearful and not be scared. Turn off CNN sometimes, turn off the news sometime, because it's all doom and gloom, and you have to do what everyone else is not doing. So if everyone is zigging, you have to zag. As an investor, you have to know, hey, things are down right now, but things will rebound. So this is my Fun Fact Friday. You have to spot opportunities, see those opportunities, and capitalize on those opportunities. It's Marcus Maloney, the Equity King, your guy, signing off. Remember, if you want a free consultation with me, the information is below. You can go to marcusemaloney.com, or you can join me on all of my social media platforms at MRCS Maloney. Okay, guys, have a great weekend. Have a wonderful Friday. Remember to enjoy the journey.